Alrighty folks, so we've got pretty much your basic fan here, very nondescript fan. So why am I filming this fan? Well, it's because of the fan blade. This fan has been around for many years, so many years that the plastic on the fan blade started to crack and wear down. And we thought, why buy a new fan when we can just find a fan blade replacement? And that's what we did. We weren't 100% sure if it was going to fit, but it fit beautifully. So let me just show you, and you can kind of tell. I'm going to take off the cover here. You can kind of tell that the plastic is a little newer. Let's go over here. And I think, there we go. So you can kind of tell that the plastic is a little newer compared to everything else, but the measurements I am assuming are kind of standard measurements. We did reuse this, and I believe, oh yeah, it's reverse thread. So in order to loosen it, we go to the right. It took a couple of minutes to install. The other thing is that this fan blade came as a pack of 2. So we have an extra one in case we need it. And this thing fit super well. It works, by the way. It works very well. Let's just pull this out. There we go. Just to show you. Okay, I just needed to give it a good yank. But what I wanted to show you, the reason I went through this, like the trouble, is because sometimes some of these fan blade replacements don't have the little notches here for this cross pin to fit well. Okay, so this cross pin has to fit well right in here in this notch, and then you have a good seating of the fan blade. The plastic, you know, what's funny to me is that I thought, oh wow, this plastic doesn't feel kind of super strong and sturdy, but I'll tell you, I think it helps to create a lot of air. It actually creates a lot of air when you turn it on. So I'm just looking at, there we go. Oh, beautiful, my God. It fit in like a dream. And then I put this back on. That's how it was. So I kept this old one, and then like I said, reverse thread. So I have to go left, and there you go, you guys. I'll turn it on if you want to see it. Let's turn it on. Before I actually turn it on, safety first. Let's just put this thing to cover. You know, I mean, the fan costs, I don't know, 20 bucks to replace, but it's more about like, hey, why replace and put it in the landfill when you can just buy a replacement blade, right? So let's go to medium. Nice. All right, this will keep you cool on a summer night. There you go, folks. Super easy to replace this fan blade. The measurements, I believe, were just kind of standard. I believe it was like a 10-inch fan blade, and it fit beautifully in this old trusty little fan that's probably never going to die.